The month of April has always been very special for the people of Assam, and this time it's double delight as they are celebrating the biggest festival of democracy, the Lok Sabha election and Rongali Bihu at the same time. So viewers, with celebration all around, we thought of speaking with some of the celebrities of Assam on what they think about this double delight. So let's go and speak. So viewers, we have with us singing sensation Jubli Borua, who needs no introduction. So Jubli, a very happy Rongali Bihu to you.
Thank you so much and wishing you same. And I would also like to wish all our viewers a very happy Rongali Bihu and a happy new year.
So Jubli, it's a double delight this time for the people in Assam, right? Because the biggest festival of democracy, the Lok Sabha election is going on, and on the other hand, it's Rongali Bihu. So it's double delight for us. So what do you have to say on this?
First of all, I would like to request all of you, please vote. That's our right, and everybody should vote, because if we don't vote, later on if we say that this was not correct, this is not correct, that is not done, because first we need to do our duty first and then point fingers at others. So first we should vote, because that and also I especially would like to request our youth, because in part of this is democracy. So I think take a wise decision while you vote. Don't get emotional. Just think that, you know, just vote that person who would actually look after our society, after our country, after our state, and just vote that person who you think would work for the development of our society. So that's how I think you should vote, and I will be doing the same, and I will definitely vote, because I want to be a part of this wise decision also. So please do that. And as you said that, you know, it's a double, you know, double delight. Yeah, it's actually a double delight, because yes, the elections are here, and when you talk about Rongali Bihu, it's like, you know, everybody is in a festive mode, and
All around Assam.
we are so lucky that, you know, in the entire world, Assam is the second place. I forgot the name of the first place, but then it's the second place where we celebrate our festival for such a longer time. You know, although it's just for a week, but this goes on for, you know, month, yeah.
And months we celebrate.
And this time, because of the elections, it's going to be longer. Yeah, actually.
Lucky us, Jubli, isn't it? We have, you know, such a beautiful festival, Rongali Bihu, and at the same time, elections are also going on, so hectic days ahead. So what are your plans for Rongali Bihu?
See, as an artist, I'll be performing again throughout Assam, and that is another very interesting thing, because I always love my stage. I belong to the stage, and when Bihu comes, we are in a different zone altogether, because although it's a very hectic schedule, we don't, it's like sleepless nights, we don't get to sleep, we don't get proper food on time, but still, you know, that Bihu vibe keeps on, you know, I mean, makes us
Energetic.
Exactly. That gives us the energy, and we keep on going. And then, so similarly, I'm starting it from the 15th of April. So the Bihu will start then. Yes, of course, during the election time, there's few days there won't be any shows. But then again, as I said, because of the election, it's going to be longer. So I think this time we'll be having our Bihu till June end. So I'm really excited about that.
Long days. So how are you preparing yourself?
We've already, we are over with the rehearsals. So we have prepared my popular numbers, and as you all know that I love working with folk music. So a lot of folk elements are there, apart from my modern songs and contemporary music. So a lot of folk factor is there. And as Bihu is a must of among all your songs, so there are a lot of Bihu numbers also. And as my band is more of a folk rock kind of a thing, but then although it's folk rock, but this time we have a lot of folk elements in it. So as I said that we've already we are over with our rehearsals, so now we are all set and ready for the shows.
So as we You are talking about music, so please sing any of your favorite songs. I'm sure our viewers would like to listen it from you. Any of your favorite songs this Bihu season.
When you ask a singer which is your favorite song, that is very difficult to say because yeah, any song of mine would be my favorite, of course. But yes, as of now, the song which is just coming in my mind is like I would just like to sing one romantic number for all of you. That is the song from Mission China. Aji kiyo hiya kope, aji kiyo mone na se. Sinaki lage tumake. Din jole, rati jole, deh jole, hiya jole, koli jako pe, mathu tumale. Aji kiyo hiya kope, aji kiyo mone na se. Sinaki lage tumake. Thank you, Jubli. Amazing. You know, that's one of my favorite songs. Thank you so much. Very beautiful song, I must say. And you know, viewers, this is, you know, after marriage, this is Jubli's first Rongali Bihu. I must say you that. So, any special plans for that? Well, that is why on the 14th I haven't kept any shows because I would love to be with my family. When you're an artist, it's always the same, and I'm lucky to have a family like this. They've been very supportive, and yeah, that's very important. So I'm very much I'm thankful to them that, you know, I still have the same kind of a life which I had before my marriage. It's still the same. People say that, you know, the life changes after a marriage. For me, as of now, it's still the same. So I'm really happy about that. And yes, it's a double delight with elections and, you know, and shows. So this time it's something really, really very exciting coming up. And also, yes, because of the elections, I would just like to say, please, once again, please vote. Please vote. Please do vote, and that's our right, and you must do it. Don't miss it, and enjoy your Rongali Bihu to the fullest. And your new year, wishing everyone a very happy and a prosperous and a peaceful new year ahead. And I just hope this new year brings a lot of positivity to Assam, to our region, because last few years, like 2-3 years, maybe especially the last year, has been very bad for like various reasons, various incidents that shouldn't happen, because Assam has always been a peaceful place and a lovely place to live in. So I just hope Assam Northeast, I mean, we are proud to belong to Northeast, so I just hope it remains the same like earlier. Let there be more love and peace and harmony everywhere this new year.
Right, Jubli, and talking about election, like any message, any special message for the first time voters?
I not such, because it's the same for everybody, but yes, the one who will be voting for the first time, I'm sure you all are very excited. The moment you're 18, you get to vote, so that's another very, you know, a democratic right, and you feel very happy and you feel as if you are grown up, and then that factor also, you know, I can understand because I have gone through the I've gone through the same phase. All I would like to say that please, as I said, our youth is very intelligent, very wise. So take a wise decision before you vote. Don't get emotional. Don't get pressurized by anybody. It's your decision, your thought, your belief, and your vote. So please do it as you feel. So all the best to the first-time voters. I'm sure this is just the beginning. You'll get a lot of opportunities in the future to vote. So let it happen.
And Jubli, any new project this Bihu?
I've recently. 2-3 days back, I've just recently disclosed it in social media that I'm releasing another album of mine. That is Jublir Bihu. So Jublir Bihu is coming very soon. I'm not releasing it in this Bihu, but soon after the Bihu, I'll be releasing my album. So for the first time, I have written a Bihu, 2-3 Bihus, because initially as I write songs, sometimes whenever I get time, I'm more into compositions, but I've never written a Bihu. So this time, for the first time, olop khahok korisu mane. So khahok to mane, I just hope you'll accept it and love it like my earlier songs. And there are like a few more projects coming up. I'm doing a Hindi project also in Bombay, working with the musicians from Bollywood. So that will be coming up soon. There's another album of Assamese lullaby, Nisu Koni Gitor. I had started that project 6 years back, but for some reasons I couldn't finish it off. So this time I've made a target that I'll definitely finish it off. So like 3-4 things lined up.
Thank you so much. It was so nice talking to you. And I know you're very busy these days, you know, Rongali Bihu, but you gave us time. Thank you so much. And it was very nice talking to you.
Same here. Thank you so much, Priyadarshini. I loved talking to you as well. And my heartiest wishes to the Northeast Live, the entire team, and keep getting bigger and better every time.
It means a lot, Jubli. Thanks a lot, really. Once again, happy Rongali Bihu to you. Now we have with us extremely popular Bhrigu Kashyap, and we all know that he is very busy these days due to Rongali Bihu. So Bhrigu, thanks a lot for giving us time. I know you're very busy rehearsing for your performances. So first of all, very happy Rongali Bihu to you.
Thank you, Priyadarshini, and actually I would like to thank the Northeast Live and especially Wasbir Hussain sir and Jarrah Hussain sir for making me part of this beautiful show.
And you know, this time it's double delight for Assam. As you know, Lok Sabha election is going on. It's the biggest festival of democracy. And on the other hand, Rongali Bihu is also going on. So what do you have to say on this double delight? How excited you are?
I'm extremely excited because for the second time, I'm having the same experiences in my life. In the year 2016, Vidhan Sabha, and for the year 2019, Lok Sabha. And मुझे मौका मिला था 16 में वोट देने के लिए. तब मतलब टाइम की कमी थी. At the time, during the time of Bihu season, election was held. So extremely excited. And जब मुझे लगा था ऐसा, मतलब इस टाइम कुछ चेंज होने वाला है. उस टाइम हो ही गया एंड मुझे लगा इस बार भी कुछ शायद कुछ एक्सट्रीमली कुछ मतलब अगर नहीं भी हुआ तब मतलब थोड़ा बहुत परिवर्तन शायद समाज में आएगा. Hopefully for that.
So Bhrigu, any message for the young voters or the first time voters you want to give?
Actually we should go through our common sense. So मुझे एक ही बात बोलना है, अगर आपको जो सही लगे, you all are matured. After 18 years, you got a chance to elect your available vote for someone else. So you have the full right to elect, to raise your voice against corruption and all. तो मैसेज ये है, आपका कॉमन सेंस को आपके साथ में लेके चलिए और आपको जो सही लगे उसको वोट कीजिए.
All right, Bihu. So what are your plans for Bihu?
Actually, schedule is very tight for Bihu season. As you all know that, from 15th of April to 25th May, I have already booked all my shows.
All packed.
All packed.
Where in Assam?
Only in Assam during the time of Bihu, and after the Bihu, we'll go for Melbourne.
So you'll go abroad and perform Bihu there. So how excited you are for that?
Actually, I have to say extremely excited because the Assam Association of Melbourne, वो लोग from last 3 years back, तब तक मुझे वीज़ा नहीं मिला था, तो वीज़ा रिजेक्ट हो गया था मेरा. तो तभी से उन लोग, मेरा भाई लोग है जहाँ पे मेलबोर्न पे, प्रांजल दा, अश्विनी दा, सब लोग they want me to perform there. तो तभी से एक्साइटमेंट का जो लेवल है वो बढ़ता जा रहा है. तो शायद hopefully this time complete होगा वो.
So please sing any of your favorite song. It's Bihu season, so I'm sure our viewers would like to hear it from you. Any of your favorite songs?
Okay. In the year 2017, the song was released. Odusokur kajole, pogola korile, khodai rati rati, hubole ni diye, moi holu boliya, ture oi pogola, nahi bika khole. Kuri moi pam kiba Dusokul kajole Upogola korile
অবহেলা কৰিলে সদা ৰাতি ৰাতি শুবলৈ নিদিয়ে
Shopping list, what did you buy this Bihu?
I have bought so many things. So many things. I have got a new car in Bihu.
A new car, bumper Bihu this time for Bhrigu Kashyap. I must say that, viewers.
And I have got so many costumes from my designer Adityam Saikya, and really excited to wear in front of all the people of Assam.
Of course, you'll rock it. All right, so Bhrigu, once again, thank you so much. I know you are rehearsing here and you gave us time, and thank you so much. It was so nice talking to you.
It was extremely nice talking to you actually.
All right, thanks a lot. So viewers, that was Bhrigu Kashyap. I'm here at the residence of Padmanav Bodoloi, one of the popular singers of Assam. So Padmanav, happy Rongali Bihu to you.
Thank you so much. Wishing all the viewers of Northeast Live, and especially you, a very happy Rongali Bihu.
Alright, so you know it's festive mood in Assam. In one side we have the biggest festival of democracy, Lok Sabha polls, and obviously Rongali Bihu is here, so one of the biggest festival of the Assamese people. So how are you preparing yourself? How excited you are?
I'm definitely very much excited about Rongali Bihu, and a lot of responsibility for each and every citizen for our Lok Sabha elections, because we are here to elect them, and our leaders gonna shape our future bright. So I think it's a mixed reaction, because this time being Lok Sabha polls going under the process, at the same time preparation for Rongali Bihu, and in my case it's not only Rongali Bihu, it's also about doing different shows of different cultures, because recently I just came out of a huge reality show of India, and so I'm really busy, not only preparing for my Rongali Bihu, also preparing for different other shows of different other culture, and at the same time I'm also looking forward for the Lok Sabha elections, and may the best person we elect, and yeah, we need a very good leader this time.
Of course, Padmanav. And so, you know, what are the different programs lined up for this Bihu?
Well, as I said a little earlier, that I not only have lined up only for my own Assamese people, that's not only Bihu shows, I also have lined up with different other cultural shows. Start my program with a huge sports event. It's a musical sports event, and it's kind of an IPL kind of a thing. So I'm performing there as a guest artist, and I'm going through as a celebrity artist from Mumbai. And in Assam, obviously there are so many Assamese Bihu program lined up. So I'm very much excited. At the same time, it's a lot of responsibility this time, because from in one hand, আমি অসমীয়াত গান গাব লাগিব, on the other hand, you have to speak in you have to sing in different other languages, because I'm singing in Hindi, I'm singing in Nepali language, I'm singing in Bhojpuri, I'm singing in English. So that is another group of people, listeners. And in Bihu, obviously আমি হাৰে হিউমৰ যে যিহেতু অসমীয়া হয়, গতিকে অসমীয়া বিহু মোৰ নিজৰ গীতে হওক বা any kind of other these traditional and ethnic songs. So I have prepared for it. So yeah, hoping for the best.
Yes, Padmanav, and you have just told me that you participated in the reality show Rising Star. So how was your experience there? You know, Shankar Mahadeva was there, and it was very nice. I saw your performance. It was awesome. So tell us about your experience. I'm sure our viewers would like to know it.
Definitely, yeah. Thank you so much. Actually, since I have already done few reality shows in my past, but this Rising Star experience was a bit different, because this is the India's first ever live singing reality show, and it's quite difficult. And I'm really glad and happy that even if my journey was a bit for a shorter period of time in the show, but I got a lot of appreciation, not only from Shankar Mahadeva, Neeti Mohan and Diljit Dosanjh, but also from mega stars and superstars like Alia Bhatt, Varun Dhawan, and so many other people. And the people who are watching me all over the world, they are giving me amazing feedbacks. So I'm really thrilled, really energetic right at the moment. Not only I'm representing, doing songs in Assam, but right now I'm also there doing songs in Mumbai. So I'm very excited.
Alright, so any message for the young voters and especially for the first time voters, any message for them?
Well, I remember maybe 6 years back, I was the first one. Like that time, that was my first time when I was voting. So I think as a concerned citizen of India, I think it's our right that we should really vote for a person who really we think that that particular person deserves. In my case, I see a person not as a team, not as a party, whether it's a Congress party or BJP or whatever. I see a eligible candidate. So for me, being a youth, so being representing youth, I think our youth also see the same thing. So please don't go just by the party, go by the person who is elected for the voting process, and let's hope that we vote for the best person, and that particular leader helps us to shape our society in future.
So Padmanav, it's Bihu time and I'm sure you'd like to sing one of your favorite songs for our viewers of Northeast Live. Any song?
Okay. Yeah, definitely I'll sing one of my favorites because it has been appreciated not only in Assam but all over the world wherever I have traveled. So I'll sing a few lines. Dihing di sang di moru kene koje pahoru তোমাকে এরি হুনময় থাকিব নোৱাৰো দিহিং দি সাং দি মৰু কেনে কৈ যে পাহৰু তোমাকে এৰি হুনময় থাকিব নোৱাৰো বুকুৰে কথাবোৰ জানো জানা তুমি জানো মোক বুজা তুমি হিয়াৰে কথাবোৰ তোমাক ক'ব খুজি তোমাক চোন ক'ব নোৱাৰি ঐ জান তোমাক চোন ক'ব নোৱাৰি দিহিং দি সাং দি মৰু কেনেকৈ যে পাহৰু তোমাকে এৰি হুনময় থাকিব নোৱাৰো দিহিং দি সাং দি মৰু কেনেকৈ যে পাহৰু তোমাকে এৰি হুনময় থাকিব নোৱাৰো দিহিং দি সাং দি মৰু কেনেকৈ যে পাহৰু তোমাকে এৰি হুনময় থাকিব নোৱাৰো বুকুৰে কথাবোৰ জানো জানা তুমি জানো মোক বুজা তুমি হিয়াৰে কথাবোৰ তোমাক ক'ব খুজি তোমাক চোন ক'ব নোৱাৰি
Thank you so much, Padmava. It was very nice and it's one of my favorite songs as well. So, any new project lined up for Bihu this time?
Well, right now though, it's all about the shows. This April and May month, we all are busy with different shows, stage shows.
All right, Padmanav, thank you so much for speaking to Northeast Live and happy Rongali Bihu to you as well.
Thank you so much. And again, I would like to take the opportunity to wish each and everyone, my dear viewers of Northeast Live, a very happy Bohag Bihu.